Are you looking to dive into the world of cloud computing, but you don't know where to start? Whether you're an IT professional, a developer, or someone looking for a new high-paying career, our AWS Fundamentals course is the perfect course for you. AWS, or Amazon Web Services, is the leader in cloud computing, powering vast amounts of the internet and helping businesses around the world manage their digital infrastructure.
Our goal is to empower you with the skills and knowledge needed to become an AWS Cloud Practitioner. With over 60% of cloud computing job postings centered on AWS, there is a tremendous demand for professionals who know AWS and the skills we teach in this class. With our course, you'll gain a solid foundation in AWS, from understanding its core services to security practices, monitoring and managing resources, and even an introduction to becoming an AWS Certified Solutions Architect.
What sets our course apart from the others is the practical hands-on approach. You won't just learn the theoretical fundamentals, you will work on real-world projects, bridging the gap between theory and real-world application. After taking this course, you'll know how to make informed tech decisions by selecting the right AWS tools for specific projects, to optimize resource usage and save costs, scale projects seamlessly, catering to both small and large audiences, troubleshoot AWS-related issues swiftly, enhancing user experience, stay ahead in the tech industry with a future-ready skill set, and ultimately know the next steps to becoming an Amazon Cloud Practitioner.
I'm Paulo Dishon, your instructor for this course. I'm a seasoned software engineer and AWS Cloud Practitioner, and I've taught over 250,000 students around the world. I'm also here to guide you through the intricacies of AWS, sharing my wealth of knowledge and practical experience to hopefully transform your skill set and mindset. Now, to get a taste of the course structure, take advantage of our free preview lessons. You can watch the first lesson of the course and learn more about me and the unique benefits this course provides.
There's no risk in enrolling right now because we have a money-back guarantee. We want you to love this class and we want it to be the right one for you. So check it out, start taking the lessons, and if it's not the right fit, no problem. If you want to boost your employability, make confident tech decisions, optimize resource usage, scale projects seamlessly, troubleshoot issues swiftly, and stay ahead in the tech industry, we believe this is the perfect course for you.
Dive into the world of AWS with us and transform your skills and mindset. We can't wait to help you learn AWS.
Enroll right now and you can start learning AWS in the next few minutes.